You bringing your kid to court because you know you're gonna go to jail?
I got sentenced on felony court.
Knock it off. Knock it off. And go tell them. Just think you could make a living by being a thief?
But I'm not a thief.
Oh, okay. Have a seat in the back, speak up again, you're getting 30 more days, I promise you, that's not a threat, it's a promise.
Bro, I don't give a fuck. I got people saying, I don't care. I don't not to move.
Areas Stravante Lines. One.
Welcome back, guys. This guy strolls into court after jacking a random person's car, brings his kid like it's bring your child to felony day, and then flips out when the judge doesn't fall for the act. It's the kind of chaos you can't look away from. He's unhinged, entitled, and somehow thinks he's the victim. The judge doesn't just shut him down, he dismantles him piece by piece until the courtroom goes dead silent. And get this, trying to use your child to sway a sentence can actually be considered emotional manipulation, which judges hate with a passion. So was this guy just clueless, or did he really think parenting points would cancel out grand theft? Let's go ahead and dive in.
Michael Carvin, 3734 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Your name?
That area is
What, are you bringing your kid to court because you know you're gonna go to jail?
No, Your Honor.
Don't play games with me.
I'm not playing.
Don't play games with me. I don't want people playing games with me.
I don't play any type of.
Listen. You better call somebody and have them come and get that child. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, and then we'll call the case. What I'm gonna do, I'm not quite sure. But I've seen this little trick before. I mean, I didn't just get here 2 months ago, okay? We'll call somebody to get the child. I'll call the case when we're ready. And I'm telling you, if you leave, you're gonna have a big problem with me. You understand what I'm telling you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, as far as his employment status, he, since January of 2024, has been working at Cosmic Comics, both in Livonia and Fraser. Both locations earned $340 a week. He'll lose that job if he has to go to jail. He has been living in Romulus with his girlfriend. They've been together since 2019. They have 2 children together, ages 1 and 7 months. He just made arrangements for her to pick up the 7-month-old. He's not been incarcerated in several years. He does have a pending matter in Wayne County that's set for sentencing next month.
Mr. Mohammed, your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. Mohammed on behalf of the people.
You wrote down full restitution on this. I just want you to be aware, this is the B&E vehicle to steal property, 200 or more. I just want you to be aware that none of the victims are here. Less than 200, I'm sorry. This he pled the count. Count 2 was dismissed. He pled. Lisa, just confirm that my understanding is correct. It looks like he pled guilty to count 1, which is the 1 year, and count 2 was dismissed. Is that true?
That's correct.
So I just want you to be aware of that.
And Judge, I apologize. Which case is this?
This is Tri-Areas Stravante One. It's a B&E vehicle to steal property, 200 or more, but less than 1,000. It's a 1 year. So I just want you to be aware. I called the names. You're not here. You just put down PSI full restitution, and none of them show. So I'm not going to order any restitution out of this thing.
And Judge, may I ask, does the court send notices to them or?
Yeah, we did send those.
Okay.
The probation department did when I ordered the pre-sentence report.
So,
Okay.
I understand, Judge. Thank you.
All right. Anything else, Mr. Carmen?
Yeah, just as my client shares, the care and custody of 2 young children, with his girlfriend that he lives with. If he's got to go to jail, it's going to be very hard on our young family.
You should think about these things before we go out and steal. I mean, seriously.
This guy really thought flashing the "I'm a family man" card was gonna undo grand theft. Like the judge was just gonna shrug and say, alright, go hug your kid. That's not how court works, especially when you're staring down a felony. Judges care about accountability, not emotional optics, and using your child as a shield just makes you look even more reckless. If anything, it raises the question, what kind of example are you setting by dragging your kid into this mess you created?
I don't know if you do or not. I find it a little hard to believe. I mean, you could sit and give me lip service, but you had a RNC motor vehicle in 2021, you had a domestic, where you didn't comply with probation in 22. Conviction was entered on that. You had a retail fraud 23, we're just convicted of felony retail theft in Illinois. We have another case you're bound over to the 33rd, I'm sorry, bound over from here, stealing or retaining without consent a financial transaction device. If that's the case he's going to be sentenced on?
Yes, Your Honor, and there's a sentencing agreement in that case of 2 years probation.
I mean, that's great.
Letting just informing the court.
No, I get it. I'm just telling you, he's got it, bench warrants out of the 34th for assault and battery. Bench warrant out of the 52nd for retail fraud 3. The bench warrant for retail fraud 3 out of Southgate. Retail fraud bench warrant out of the 16th. You up on any of those?
Yes, Your Honor.
When?
I've been taking care of the warrants since I've been out, Your Honor, and
Lisa, can you run his lien again for me, please? This lien is a few days old. Let me just double check.
And my client indicated he's contacted those courts.
You contact.
yes, Your
What
Honor.
do you mean?
I contacted those courts and they told me that I have to turn myself in and schedule it.
Well, you haven't taken care of the warrants then, have you?
No, I have been taking care of some of the warrants, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
I have been taking care of them.
All right, I'm gonna just check with her and see. Now you're breaking into cars. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. You've been unemployed and then you were working at Fast Splash Car Wash. You collected money on a bridge card. You need to go back and get a GED or a diploma. You need to work harder. I don't know why you're not working. You need to work. That's your decision though. But to go out and support a family by feeding all the time is not the answer.
Your Honor, he is working, and I updated the court on that.
I know you did, but still, this report was just done, right? This report was just, let me just double check this. I ordered the pre-sentence report and they reported then that he was unemployed for the past 8 months. Why were you unemployed for the 8 months preceding that report?
I wasn't unemployed, Your Honor. I was just helping my baby mother going through the postpartum and dealing with the kids. I was still working,
Well, you told them you were unemployed. Reports being unemployed for the past 8 months.
and I don't know why I put that, and I shouldn't have put that. I've been working since January 2024.
All right. Lisa, you don't see any of those other warrants. I think you just answered my question. You don't see any other warrants cleared out of the locations I just mentioned, right?
This guy's testimony has more holes than a busted screen door. He's trying to convince the court that he forgot to mention a whole job while facing theft charges. That's not just a slip up, that's a calculated gamble that just tanked his credibility. Judges aren't stupid. If you lie about something that simple, they'll assume you're lying about everything else too. And depending on the state, misrepresenting income during a criminal case can actually enhance your sentence for fraud or obstruction.
Just running it right now. Give me 1 second.
Take your time.
No, I don't see any other warrants.
You don't see what?
I don't see any other warrants.
Well, I'm just saying, see the lien in here, but probation reported open warrants issued to the 37th District Court, 16th, the 28th, the 34th, and the 52-3 District Court. Do you see any of those warrants on this lien now?
No, I just ran it and I do not see any warrants.
Good. All right, well, anything else?
Nothing, Your Honor.
He did not spend any time in jail on this, correct?
No.
Where's the child now?
She's going, Your Honor.
I'm sorry,
She's going, Your Honor.
was your the mother of the child here?
No, she wasn't here. Someone else came and picked her up.
It's supposed to mean like you become a professional thief. 200 fines, 400 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 7 1/4, and 40 days jail. You'll serve 325 more if you don't pay your fines and costs. I'll let you pay those at the rate of $75 per month. And I will let that start beginning on June the 15th. If you don't have the money at any point, you call the court. I'll be happy to give you an extension. You have 21 days to write it over. 2B 716-3361. Mr. Bryant, you need.
My area is Brian.
Listen. I'm not gonna put up with you yelling and screaming back there anymore. If I have to call you out here again, I'm gonna give you 30 days for contempt on top of the time that I just gave you. 30. You don't get to act like that. I hope you clearly and fully understand me. If you don't, I'm gonna have you out. Because I would hear you again. And then I'm gonna lock you up for 30 days. And we're gonna do this all day long. You're not gonna make a scene here in the courtroom. That sentencing, if anything, was too light. I'm not playing with you,
How is it too late?
Mr.
I have a judge that I gotta go to felony court. This is district court. I got sentencing on felony court.
Knock it off. Knock it off. And go tell them. You have 5 or 6 felony, you have 5 or 6 theft offenses, you're breaking into people's cars. You just think you could make a living by being a thief?
But I'm not a thief.
Oh, okay. Have a seat in the back, speak up again, you're getting 30 more days, I promise you, that's not a threat, it's a promise.
Bro, I don't give a fuck.
Good, come here, contempt of court, bring him up.
No, bro.
You're gonna send another.
You're gonna get.
I got people saying, I don't care. Be on me. Ain't not the moon. Kill up. Be on the stop for kill me. Be on me. Run over flat. Stop. Run this shit off. At all. At all. So I got surgery on Monday night. You got fuck on my shit. Oh my man. Stop. Go away. Fuck with me, bro.
All right, Mr. Klein, settle down.
You off, man.
Go down.
No, you're gonna get taken, bro. Taste me, Jim. Taste me.
We don't want it. We don't.
Taste me. Stop resisting. Like I got kids that I gotta raise by myself.
You ain't making it any better.
You keep making it seem like I'm just a thief. I gotta prove that I'm
See what you're doing.
I gotta prove
Knock
it
it off.
worse.
Knock it off.
Hey, listen to me.
Brian,
Look at this.
Mr.
You're
Bryant,
making it twice as bad.
Mr. Bryant, go back in the back. I'm gonna let bygones be bygones, except for the initial jail term. One more word, and I'm telling you, you're doing 30 more days.
He's sitting there on the floor like he just realized crime has consequences. Buddy, this isn't a plot twist, it's basic cause and effect. With his record, 40 days is practically a gift wrapped in courtroom. Most judges would have stacked months on him without even blinking, especially for repeat offenses. And honestly, this judge didn't even need to raise his voice. He's got that calm, menacing tone that makes you regret your choices faster than the sentencing does.
How many days?
Enough. Enough. Just control yourself.
Okay.
Stop stealing.
It's like already.
Yeah, bro. Go left side, to the other side.
It's real good fathers out here, real life, bro. And y'all just be locking the fuck up for no reason, bro. I never understood that, bro. But a woman could be anything, bro. Don't let her go. She be good. A woman be good, bro. A woman be good, bro.
What do you know?
Yeah, 40 days felt more like a nap than a sentence. This guy's walking out with barely a scratch and somehow still managed to cry through it. What really got me was the judge laying down that clear warning and then just not following through. In most cases, defying a direct order like that can lead to a contempt charge on the spot, and this guy did it with no fear. That kind of inconsistency might seem small, but in a courtroom, it can shift how seriously people take the judge going forward. And let's be honest, the poor dude sitting next to him already looked like he aged 5 years watching it all unfold. Do you guys think the judge let this one slide too far, or was that a calculated move to keep things from spiraling? Drop your take in the comments, hit subscribe if you're into courtroom chaos, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.